Good morning, everyone. Good day, good afternoon. I greet you all and welcome to my channel. I am coming to you with another episode of a laundry motivation. So let's get into today's video. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined this channel, we do cleaning motivation, laundry motivation videos, grocery hauls, and here and there of lifestyle videos. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. You're going to be motivated and you're going to enjoy. So for the longest time, for those who've been here for the longest time, guys, I thank you so much. Thank you for the support. I haven't been where I am without you guys. I see you and I appreciate your support. So in today's video, I am having 3 loads of laundry and I was using Omo. I didn't have vinegar, it was finished. I used vinegar in my laundry for audio control. So let's get down into today's video. What I'm going to do is to soak this load and wait for 30 minutes and do other things. So while I'm soaking it, I will be doing other things in the house, like taking care of my son, especially for breakfast. Then later on, I'll come and wash the first load, then rinse it, hang it immediately while I am soaking the second laundry. So this is how I do. It's a routine. It's a weekend routine. I do this every Saturday morning. So this video will be shared on a Monday. And I hope you're going to enjoy it. And I hope you will get motivated. For those who do laundry time and again, like during the week, I am sure you are going to get motivation from this video. So enjoy this video, and while you're on it, give it a thumbs up, like this video, share it so that it can get across a lot of people to get motivated. I thank you for watching it until the end. Please don't forget to watch the ads as it helps this channel to grow. Yes, let's wash this fitted sheet. So on a normal day-to-day laundry, it takes me 2 hours tops to do all of my laundry because it's not that too much. And when it's extreme, it takes me 4 hours. So I spend the half a day doing an extreme laundry. I'm sure if you can go back to my videos, you can see a video titled Super Extreme Laundry Motivation. It was a lot and it consisted of a large items. Now in my household, I always change my washing powders according to the price. If it's cheaper that time, I buy it. I switch between Omo washing powder, Sunlight washing powder, mostly the two. So do you guys stick to one brand or do you switch around? And why do you stick to the brand that you're sticking to? I'm switching because the price can be overwhelming sometimes, but my preference is Omo washing powder, guys. My preference is always Omo washing powder, but if it's expensive that time, I will always buy the one that is cheaper. I used Surf washing powder the other day, but I feel like it doesn't have enough foam, so you need to pour in a lot of soap. I think it's a waste also because it doesn't last for a longer time. So when it comes to Omo washing powder, I feel so satisfied. I like it. It removes tough stains, and without it being helped by some jig or your bleach or whatever tough stain remover that you can use together with Omo, I think Omo can do just that alone. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's get this conversation down the comment section. Why do you like your brand? Why do you use that only? How does it work on your clothes? Does it remove some colors on your clothes? And whatsoever, anything that you can comment in terms of your washing powder that you are using. I prefer Omo washing powder, but I switch around for the cheapest one. And just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by any of the products that I have mentioned. This is the products that I used, and I thought I should share their experiences with my laundry. I have come to the end of this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like this video. Give it a thumbs up, guys, share and comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel. We are going to enjoy and have a nice time. We are going to get motivated in this video. Until next time, guys, bye.